When I opened the box, the first thing that caught my attention was the base. It is impressively heavy and solid. Even though this ring light is technically designed and marketed for makeup, I actually use it most of the time for product videography, where having a stable base is absolutely crucial. The setup comes in a few parts, and while there is a manual included, the assembly is completely intuitive. You just use a single bolt to connect the phone holder to the ring light, and then attach the whole piece to the heavy base, and comes with a dedicated power adapter. A really important detail mentioned in the instructions is to only use this specific adapter and never substitute it with others. Once it's plugged in, you get all the standard features like adjusting the brightness and light temperature. But what I love most is the flexibility. You can easily rotate the phone holder between horizontal and vertical positions, and the ring light itself tilts smoothly forward and backward. Finally, you can easily adjust the height, pulling it up or down depending on what you need. While light settings are pretty standard nowadays, it's the heavy base, the flexible holder, and the adjustable height that make this light a winner for me.